In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ERR_SSL_protocol_error. First thing you're going to do is you want to go here and type in settings. So here you want to go to date and time. So you want to just search for it, date and time. So inside here, you want to make sure you have these settings just like I have it. So turn on set time zone automatically. Turn on set time automatically. And here you want to make sure that you click sync and make sure that what it says here under time zone is exactly what you have. So for here, for me, it says like the Eastern time. So this is my time zone. You can find your time zone by Googling it, like if you don't know it. And for me, it's UTC 5 and it's Eastern time. So you can make sure that this is the correct time zone. And lastly, just click sync and you can just head out of here. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to Google. Over here, you want to go to these settings. And here you want to go to privacy and security. Go to delete browsing data and make sure you select all and then delete data. So this will clear your cache, which is most importantly, that's what you're aiming for. So after you delete the cache and data, you can just close this down. Now the last thing you can try is go to CMD, right click, run as administrator, and run this command. So you want to flush the DNS. You can do this by doing ipconfig /flush DNS. Press enter. This will flush the DNS and reset your DNS settings. After that, you want to make sure you restart your computer and your issue is fixed.